What's up, guys? Big weekend coming up for the race truck. Big weekend. So I wanted to make sure to dispel any fears, to make sure that everybody knows that there's some things that I'm doing to ensure the race truck's going to be doing well. As you can see, I have the infamous Power Rock. Mm-hmm. It's a smoky onyx, I believe, is what I was told by the hippie. So what we're going to do this is going to be the race truck's maiden voyage, and I need the powers of the Power Rock. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fold up this here Power Rock. We're going to put it in its own little case here. Get that in there. Leather case, you gotta make sure. And then we're gonna put it in its perfect location right there in the middle. And what that does is doing it a day in advance like this, it allows the juju, the aromatic wavelengths to permeate through the metals like a pulsation, a flatulation of good juju flow through the truck, and that will also increase the horsepower. All the it's kind of like cryo treating. It actually gives all the fluids get a little slicker. So the viscosity really allows for higher horsepower, cooler temps.
Safety,
yeah. It makes sure that the fire extinguisher extinguish. You don't fight fires.
That we won't need the fire extinguisher.
When you have a Power Rock, you don't need to fight fires because the fires don't even fight back. They don't even start.
They don't even start.
They're right. Like, you got a Power Rock? I don't need to fight. Mm-hmm. They surrender. Fires surrender before, and you can't even get to fire because the aura is permeating so much negative heat energy out. It's a cooling effect. Also a cooling effect in your loins when you're sitting here. The seats are actually 5 to 10 degrees cooler in the seats, which helps for if you have a lot of heat going in the grundle in the area. Mm-hmm. So don't for any of you that may want to ride, if it's for this weekend, fear not, because we're all set up.